I'm Senator Dandutse, representing Katsina South. I am coming under Order 42. Personal explanation. Mr. President, by the indulgence of the Senate and the leave of the President of the Senate, a senator may make a personal explanation, although there be no question before the Senate, but no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may be debate arise upon the explanation. The terms of the proposed statement shall be submitted in detail to the President of the Senate when he leaves to make it so. Mr. President, my respected colleagues, very unfortunately and sad, in my senatorial district, under less than a month, more than 130 people were killed. In Ankara local government alone, we have 42 people killed and a major. In Sabwa local government, we have 22 people were killed just 2 days. And even today, we have 17 people killed in Malumfashi local government. And in Faskari local government, a captain was killed and 2 military personnel were also killed in less than a month. Apart from abduction of people, even a member of State Assembly, senior brother, was abducted and kidnapped, and his family, and a prominent businessman in Paskari local government was also killed in a very unfortunate and sad situation. That is why, Mr. President, I sought the leave of the House to bring this motion in subsequent legislative day. I so submit. Thank you, Mr. President.